It's been said that when water meets stone, water always wins. And in its wake, water often leaves behind some very beautiful forms in nature. One of my absolute favourite examples of this is found in Croatia, the Krka Waterfalls, where its relentless force sculpted a series of 17 steps through the rugged limestone landscape, creating the largest travertine cascade system in the whole of Europe, and the backdrop for an unexpected adventure on my first visit that started when my Labrador Finse, as a puppy, leapt in. The rapids quickly swept her downstream, and I followed thinking I'd save her, which fortunately I ultimately did. I'm pretty sure Finse understands now the boardwalk through the forest is a much better idea, where you're accompanied on a gentle descent by a symphony of river sounds and dappled light. The payoff, Skradinski Buk, is a majestic sight, stretching several hundred meters across. Beyond the powerful visual display, this area is a vibrant ecosystem. There are 18 species of fish, 222 bird species, along with 860 species of plants, including the second highest density of lavender in Europe. Reminders of generations past are also here. A time when water power was in demand for grinding wheat, washing sheep's wool, and generating power for the Dalmatian hinterland. I hope you'll do as I did and embark on your own exploration of Krka Falls in Croatia's Krka National Park. It's a place I can't get enough of, and Finse and I return quite often, but thankfully not to reenact her first adventure.